Hello YouTube followers, hello friends of optical space exploration. This time I have a photo for you. It's just from a very recent Sol, it's Sol 738, and I found this on the GPL NASA homepage, and I want to show it to you because um, on this picture you can really see very good the obscuration methods and uh, the methods NASA uses to hide things, especially fine lines and writings and everything that's parallel and coherent. So let's check it out on this picture. And there's also a surprise for you in the end. So wait till we're through. As I said, it's a quick one, and let's start. So let's check out this area, because there's something we all know. This is a writing on the rover from the manufacturer. I think it's near the energy compartment, which is here. It's a radioactive energy source, and there is a writing on this panel, and I cannot make it out, but as you can see, NASA is putting a mask over the photo. So I converted this picture to ZMYK. It's here, it's the color proof, and then we go to channels and we can check out every single channel. So let's check out the black. And the black is, yeah, it's pretty sharp. You can see it here, you can see details. If you go to yellow, it starts to pixelate very strong, like for every pixel you have here, you have in the black mode like 16 or so. So the yellow is obscured, the magenta is quite clear actually, though you cannot see the writing here. It's very faint. And on the cyan plate you see also a heavy pixelation. So in my opinion, it can't be much more than 411 compression or something like this that's on the photos. So it's very poor. My iPhone can actually make better photos than this, because the object we look at is close, it's in focus, and there's no naturally obscuring, so it should be really clear, but you cannot make out this writing. So I tried to do my best to see what's written there, and first I unsharpened it so that the artifacts are gone, and then I sharpened it again, and that's what's coming out. I cannot make it out really, so I turned it, and I made some adjustments, and that's the best I can do. I cannot read it actually. It's an O in the end, I think, and maybe an M in the end, but what it says. So, and all the stuff, all the spaghetti stuff you see here, that is from the compression method or masking or something like this. That's how NASA is hiding all the details. You see, the writing is a detail in the picture, and it's completely obscured by the spaghetti method NASA is using for their pictures. So, but now the bummer. Okay, check this out. You know, the rover is on Mars now for 738 sols. And I wondered maybe he needs a service sometimes. You wonder why I wonder why he needs a service sometimes. I can tell you, because the screws are unscrewed. You see? All around the screws there are lines and traces and markings of of people or somebody who messed with these screws. Look here, and somebody tried to obscure it because there are obscure marks here, like touching up the picture because it was too obvious, and they made a boo-boo here because this should be black and not white. And if we go down, we see all kind of fingerprints around the screws, like here and here, here. So I wondered maybe he had to restart, and or something was wrong with the technology inside, so they had to fly over and screw it up. I mean, screw it open, then hit the reset button here. Hit the reset button here, and then just wipe this away to see if it's still good, you know? So first, the service for the rover is first take the screws out, get the panel off, do whatever you need, then push the reset button here. You can see it's, you know, there was a touch here, and then just wipe this a little bit away to see if it works. Maybe, you know, that's just fun. But what I wondered also is, what is this here? This is a screw, this is a screw, there is some dirt and there is sand, but what is this? On the other side, there's nothing like this, they're just some small rocks. So maybe this is a rock which came into this ditch while he was loading some stuff, maybe some rock samples or something like this. So who gave the rover the service? Was it NASA flying by, or was it just some Martian guy with a screwdriver? So that's all for today. Oh yes, the background. I tried to do something in the background. I came up with some strange forms, you know, like this. I don't think they look like rocks, but you tell me what it is, because I cannot really see. You know, there's like obscure parts lying around here, here. They all have similar shapes, you know, like with a split in the middle here and here, but I cannot really make it out. So that's for all. That's for the rover service, and I'm out. Bye bye.